Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to order HEB Curbside right from your phone through the My HEB app. First, if you don't have the app already, go to your app store and type in HEB and make sure you download the My HEB app. You will see it right there on the top of my screen. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to go ahead and click open. Once you open it, go ahead and log in if you already have an HEB account, which you should if you've ordered on the computer. If you haven't, go ahead and click sign up and you will be prompted right there on your phone to create an account. So you'll just enter your first and last name, your email, and create a password and enter your mobile number. I find like the mobile number makes it easier when you get to picking up your curbside, so I would recommend entering that. Then when you're ready, just go ahead and click Create Account. Alrighty, so now you are ready to start ordering. So this is the face of the My HEB app. We're going to go ahead and click at the top where it says Choose Time, and that'll take us to this screen where I've selected Curbside, and we're going to change the location. You can enable location, but obviously I'm not going to enable my location, so I'm going to click Continue and search by my zip code. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my zip code really quickly, and it will pop up with my nearest HEB location. And then we can also scroll to the left down there at the bottom, and it will show other HEBs that are within a relatively close radius to me and whether or not curbside is available. And then you can set one of those to your pickup location. Then you'll choose a pickup time down there at the bottom, and it'll show you which days are full and which days are available. I'm going to go ahead and click on the 23rd since that's the first available at this location. And then there's 2 time slots available. So I'll go ahead and pick one of those and click Save. Now that your location is all set, you'll click Save and it'll take you right back to the main screen of the My HEB page, and it'll show you some of their top picks, some brunch ideas, satisfying snacks, and it'll give you all the different options that you can purchase to go in those categories. You can also scroll down and shop by department, which is my personal favorite way to shop at HEB because I feel like I'm going through each of the aisles and selecting exactly what I need. So in today's video, I'm just going to click View All, and that is how we're going to shop. Now that I clicked View All, you can see the different departments that are here on the app: fruit and veggies, meat and seafood, dairy and eggs. And as I scroll down, you'll get to everyday essentials, kids and baby, and even pet items. So truly you can get everything you need right here at your HEB. For the purposes of today's video, we're going to go ahead and shop the fruits and veggies, which of course is my kids' fave. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to add it to your cart. You just click the plus sign. It's literally as simple as that. And you can click it multiple times if you want to add multiple to your order. So super easy and very intuitive. Now, if you accidentally add something to your order that you didn't mean to, like these blueberries, you'll also see that there's a trash can that you can click as well, and that will remove it from your order. So super easy to do if you accidentally add something you don't want. You can also scroll along the top if you want to look at the fruit in more detail, such as apples only, bananas only, berries and cherries only. This will just give you more of a deeper dive into any one category so that you can pick out your favorites. And I'm just showing you a few of the different categories here so you can see all of the different options. And again, this is actually a more limited options than normal. Usually there's even more options, but I know HEB is just trying to service as many people as they can right now. So now we are in the meat and seafood section, and you can see they have tofu, seafood, and meat. So I'm going to go ahead and just go into the fish and kind of show you the different things that they have available right now for you to choose from. Their selection seems to be growing as they grow accustomed to more and more curbside orders. So they are having a lot more of the items available from what I've seen. And lastly, we're going to look at the search feature, which is right on the top of that department page, and you can search for whatever you need. So right now I'm searching for some corn tortillas, and you can see there kind of is a word prompt to select the kind you would like, or you can leave it generic like I did and search through all of them. The other really awesome thing is for HEB, you can actually purchased toilet paper through Curbside. I have not been able to do that through Walmart, but I have had luck getting it from HEB. It hasn't always been name brand, but they actually let you try to add it to your cart, which I have not found to be true in some of the other curbside stores that I've ordered from. Now, right now, coupons are currently unavailable, and so are their weekly ads, and that's in order to make sure that everybody can have access to what they need. Another feature of the My HEB app is the orders button down at the bottom. You can go ahead and click on that and look at any of your past orders or in progress orders. And actually, I do have an order that is in progress right now, and it has all of the items that I've ordered, and I can click on add items to add additional items to that order. And I can click view details if I want to scroll through and look at what I've actually ordered to be picked up next week. All right, so now I am ready to go ahead and actually order, and you just click that blue cart down at the bottom and it'll take you to this page. They're letting you know that substitutions are turned on right now, and they're trying to make every effort to provide you what you have put in your cart. And then you just scroll through and double check your order. And I love their little add instructions feature here. And I always like to type for my bananas if they could please pick the green bananas, because that is the last fruit that my kids eat. We try to eat like the berries and stuff first so they don't go bad. And then if they give me green bananas, they are perfect by the end of the week. So I type a friendly little note in there. And then at the very bottom, you can leave an instruction or friendly note for your personal shopper. So I just went ahead and left a little cheerful note. Thanks for all that you do, and saved that. And then you can click start checkout down at the bottom. And I guess if you had a change of heart, you can also click empty cart and just end it right there. When you click start checkout, a pop-up will come up that says that there is currently limited add-ons. It used to be unlimited, then they went all the way down to 4. Now they've settled on 10. So right now there is 10 add-ons that you can do after you've placed your order. So definitely make sure to double check your cart. And then after that, you will just review your pickup location, time, contact number, and your credit card number before you actually place the order. Once that is all nice and confirmed, you'll just go ahead and scroll down, verify the total, and then you will click on place order. So this is like for real. Once that is done, you're going to go ahead and get an email sent to you that's going to give you all of the details, making sure that they've received your order. It'll confirm the date, the time, and the location for your pickup. And you can also see that you can view or modify your order from that email. And down at the bottom of the email, it'll also give you instructions of how pickup works, basically to text your parking space number when you get there, and your order will be right out. So when you got to HEB, just follow those white arrows to the curbside marked parking spaces, park in one of them, and just text your parking number to the number on the sign. And wait patiently for your HEB curbside person to come out and deliver your order. I hope you guys found this tutorial easy and helpful, and that you guys will be able to place your HEB curbside order soon. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you're new, stay safe, and I will catch you guys in next week's video. Bye guys!